Welcome to Milky Way 7 Galaxy channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare top ramen fiery chili noodles using water kettle. For preparing 1 kg of noodles, measure 230 ml of water. For making the noodles, I am using this water kettle. You can use other induction, whichever you are having. For 1 piece of cake, I am using 230 ml plus 50 ml of water for getting soup. The water starts to boil. You can add this cake. After adding the cake, just close the lid and switch off the kettle and wait for 5 minutes. The noodles is semi prepared. Just mix everything. Now add the top ramen powder to this. It's very spicy. Now mix everything. Close the lid and switch on. After 30 seconds, the top ramen fiery chili noodles is ready to eat. I have garnished the top ramen noodles with some carrot and adding the excess soup to this to make little spicy and juicy. Now mix everything. It's good to eat. If you like the content of the video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe.